Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn the engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To change the bulbs on the dipped beams, remove the closing cap on the grille side. Remove the electricity connector for the light bulb by pulling on the back part, not on the wires. Then undo the bulb. You must move it towards the outside of the clips on the holding stud. Then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then push the metal clips back up. Reattach the connector.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the bulbs on the side lights, remove the closing cap on top of the headlights. Take the black power terminal and pull on it. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new one into the plastic base, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the indicator bulb, give the bulb connector a quarter turn anti-clockwise. This will allow you to take the whole thing out. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To change the bulb of the full beams, remove the closing cap on the bodywork side. Remove the electricity connector for the light bulb by pulling on the back part, not on the wires. Lift, then move the holding clip on the bulb and remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then, move the metal clip back up. Reattach the connector. Put the rubber cover back on. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.